The future of tax services is here. Taxpayers having the power to do business at their fingertips. It's thanks to a number of online services that come with the completion of a project done in 3 phases within 2 years to improve the tax administration system. Through the Revenue Administration Information System Rais project, Tax Administration Jamaica has been able to roll out more value-added services. Since September 5, 2016, the list of online services have extended to include stamp duty and transfer tax, withholding taxes, environmental protection levy, betting, gaming and lotteries taxes, and trade and business licenses. Persons conducting property transactions will now be able to make payments for stamp duty and transfer tax at any TAJ office island-wide. But document processing is only done at 3 locations: Stamp Office on Harbour Street and the Maypen and Montego Bay tax offices. As part of the service enhancement through the Rais platform, applying a Vermilion stamp to documents will now be replaced with the use of a barcode endorser, which allows for these documents to be validated online. In respect of withholding taxes, these will all be managed via the Rais platform. Taxpayers are able to file all withholding tax returns and pay their balances, as well as generate and/or claim withholding certificates from their online account. The withholding tax types include interest, dividends, contractors' levy and withholding tax on specified services, management fees, royalty and other miscellaneous taxes withheld at source. Additionally, prescribed persons will no longer be required to file a withholding tax on interest quarterly return, as the Rais will be able to process the quarterly refund based on the filing of the monthly returns. Improvements through the Revenue Administration Information System Rais platform is also changing how racing, lotteries and sports betting and gaming are administered. The changes include having persons in the betting, gaming and lotteries industry filing returns based on a due date. Other enhancements include weekly submission of returns being standardized, penalties charged for late payment, and demand notices issued for outstanding amounts. TAJ's rollout of Rais 3 also allows for trade and business licenses to be managed through the new system, and persons can submit their applications and return when applying for a trade license. And in the event that a taxpayer does not apply for a renewal, the system will automatically generate an assessment. In ensuring the smooth rollout of the new online services, the TAJ prepared its staff through training. They also engaged several stakeholders such as the National Land Agency, Incorporated Master Builders Association, Jamaica Bankers Association, Bank of Jamaica and Jamaica Stock Exchange. Tax Administration Jamaica, raising the bar, improving service delivery through a modernized tax system.